punch that tree. First day, brand new world. Just me, tiny hut, dirt floor. You'll see. Wooden pick, I'm diving deep. Going down, going down. Stone and cold, torches in my offhand glow. Iron veins that drip like gold. Lava close, but I still go. One more block, one more block. I mine that ore till my pick can't swing anymore. Fill my chest, then I go explore. 'Cause we're living this life. Block by block, block, block. I stack these walls so high. Got a roof that cuts the sky. Redstone rails and a chicken line. Yeah, we're living this life. Block by block, by block. Flat green field, mark it out with logs and beams. Cobble frame, glass pane, windows gleam. Door goes on, I'm living the dream. Yeah, moving, moving. Fence that yard, wheat rows running long and far. Lanterns keep away the dark. Dog outside, he guards the farm. Good boy, good boy. I mine that ore till my pick can't swing anymore. Fill my chest, then I go explore. 'Cause we're living this life. Block by block, by block. I stack these walls so high. Got a roof that cuts a sky. Redstone rails and a chicken line. Yeah, we're living this life. Block by block. Chest full of eggs, I'm a mastermind. Hoppers click, click, turning gears in my mind. Water stream, pushing every little cluck in a line.